All right. Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another little stream. Today, program as usual. If you guys are new to these streams, we typically discuss in the morning. We do a little stream. Today, we missed it. I was dead asleep. Went to bed a little late last night. But today, or typically what we do here, right, in the morning is we'll do a little stream. We outline what we see happening in the markets. In the evening, we go over what we saw. We kind of break down the price action. We start with our NASDAQ futures. We dive into some crypto, see what setups are forming into tomorrow, see what setups we've had, and kind of update our charts almost, right? But in a live session. So let's get into it this morning on NQ. I woke up, we updated our channel inside the Paper Traders Discord. We gave the outlines in there. Sorry, I'm like always get a little sidetracked. So we always outline everything that we see happening inside our Paper Traders Discord, right? So this morning we gave a little outline for possible longs. We gave a little outline for possible shorts. We ended up just taking the shorts upon the sweep of that previous week high. Just a solid rejection, right? Solid level. As in the past, we've discussed this level right here. This 22,970. You said 22,970. We can see some more upside if we displace it, right, which we did. We displaced it right through here at 925, displaced that, and kind of nice continuation up initially. So we were looking at the higher time frame today. That was the biggest thing for me, is looking at that higher time frame, right? So on the higher time frame, as we look, we see how that OTE held throughout the night. And then going into that New York session, we saw how we saw the expansion of this hourly candle, right? This 9 a.m. candle opened up. So how the 9 a.m. Sorry, I'm also simultaneously just jotting down these thoughts so I can do a nice little outline as well for those that cannot make it to the video. So, right, we had this hold. We still have some levels to the downside. We saw this hold nicely, right? This OTE, the 786 tap held really nicely. No worries. All right. Sorry, I had to text Mr. Shane. Mr. Shane is taking care of family business. He's with his loved ones, so we're going to give him time. We're going to go over some setups that he posted as well inside our Discord, so check it out. Drinking some coffee as usual. So we saw some levels to the upside, right? These were outlined. We had this previous week high. So previous week high was the likely next target right there, right? If you're looking on the higher time frame, especially on the 4-hour, right, you can see how much strength this had, right? All of this nice little rising 3 setup right there. Actually, didn't notice that, but right, that's why we review those charts. So rising 3 setup on the 4-hour during the overnight session. Then we drop down to the hourly. We can see that we kind of had a nice little continuation. So once we broke above this previous or the Sunday open, it was just up from there. Just a huge run, right? Nonstop. Just kind of grind. And typically when they do that, we can look for a nice reversal trade to the downside. So right here, right at the top, we sweep this previous week high, right? Our higher time frame liquidity levels is what we want to look for, reversal points. We sweep that and a nice rejection down. This is strictly playing the levels, right? If you drop down to the 1 minute, I believe I took some initial shorts over here on this fair value gap and this inverse fair value gap. So this inverse fair value gap, right, we kept on holding it to the downside, kind of not necessarily any displacement through it to the top. Couldn't break above this previous weekly high. And they gave us a nice little play to the downside. Oh, hello? Do I hear you? Oh my goodness. Hello. How are you? Oh my God. How are you? What up, dude?
I texted you. I said I got 15 minutes on the clock.
Oh, perfect. I was just about done with just about done with the outline. Pretty simple days. I was talking, right? Swept liquidity over here at the bottom for continuation to the upside. Our 4 hour had a nice little, look at this. I got to show you this. This 4 hour rising 3.
You guys streaming here?
Oh, my Lord. I do
Oh,
need to
oh my
do
Lord.
that. I do
It's
need
okay.
to
I
do
wasn't
that.
in here.
You're right. You're right. Rising 3 on the 4 hour. 1, 2, 3. Boom.
Yep.
Sweep,
Pew.
held
Dude.
the OTE. Sweep a previous week high, dropped to the downside. Pretty simple day. 2 trades is all you needed today. 1 to right to the top, 1 to right to the bottom. That's it on the day on this.
I took, if you flip on the hourly, overnight, I took that low. I
This
think
one?
it was that. Was that last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, that SMT. That was an SMT.
You know, it's fucking. I'm like, I'm glad I did it, but at the same time, a little bit punching myself. I went long over here overnight just because I was just like staying up trying to figure out the boomer platform. Went long over here. Obviously did not sell over here, and then same thing, went short over here. Was like, yeah, maybe a little retrace, whole ass retrace. But I took it in my other account, so that's cool. Whatever. Nice shorts.
You know, it sucks. I took that overnight long, I noticed halfway through the day I made too much money because it was on like one of my newer 50Ks.
Mm-hmm.
So why is it so hard to lose money? I took all day trying to like counter trade myself, and I just kept making money over and over and over. And I was like, this is fucked up.
Maybe that's what we got to do. Just counter trend ourselves.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was the overnight long was sick as hell. I think it was
Yeah.
like $1,800 I made.
Yeah, dude.
So
You fucking sure that show is nice. Was that on a mini?
it was a mini and two. It was a mini on ES and 2 micros on NQ.
Fuck yeah, dude. That is beautiful.
Yep, it was nice.
Yeah,
It was a
sweep
nice
up this
day. I had a
liquidity
really good day.
overnight. And the big thing that we said this morning was also S&D day, right? Asia sessions swept both, or London sessions swept both Asia high and London low, or an Asia low. So that kind of gave us that idea of like, yeah, we can actually reverse from the top over here. Holy shit, it's Wednesday already. Days are blending together.
I don't even know. Still, since Wisconsin, I don't even know where I am.
Dude, honestly, yeah, that whole trip like messed me up in a good way.
Yeah, for real. I
Need
feel like a
another
different
one
person.
of those. Yeah, staying up for 24 hours, just hit the hard reset button on that on their
Wasn't even a vacation.
Yeah, just a hard reset on everything, and obviously it reflected in a very positive way in our trading. I love that shit. Okay, let's take a holy. Okay, word, jeepers. What the fuck? Sorry, like just looked at my position. I was like, God,
I'm
dang.
making too much money today.
Huh?
I'm like scrambled. I don't even know what to
Yeah.
do.
That's what I just opened up the thing and it showed all my like fucking things. It's like, oh, hey, wait, tap tap tap. Is that right? Is that gauge working properly?
Yeah.
That's
Click,
crazy.
click, click.
Yeah, click, click, click. Oh my God, I love it. Okay. Anyways, let's take a look at some of these names, right? Uniswap. Let's go through the list. I actually want to see what I posted on Twitter. I don't fucking remember, but I'm sure we've made quite a few. Let's go from the beginning of the week. Actually, last night from the stream, AXL was one of those that just kept on talking about. It was like, well, yeah, Axel, haha, funny, because the friend's dog's name is Axel. So I was like, just for the culture of it, I'll smack some. That shit's fucking going. You're damn 204%. That's wild. Thought I posted it somewhere. I'll have to find that off stream so that you can talk about your stuff too. As
Yep.
I know you've outlined some fucking beautiful ones. Yesterday, actually, Shane, before we logged off, he was like, long syrup. And that was probably like right here. Look at that. Now, if we get through this fair value gap, we're going to get a nice continuation up. This one almost played out that fake bear flag break and then a continuation to the upside, which is looking a lot more likely now. in this scenario for us to go for some more upside. Axel, yeah, syrup, fucking going morph. Morph was another one.
Martha's clean.
That's nuts.
Yes, sir.
That's fucked up.
I said it on. Well, actually, they can't hear me last night, so I can't even say this.
Oh my
But I
god.
said it like 15 times on stream last
Yeah.
night. I think
Dude,
you pulled it
I
up
don't
though.
know why they couldn't hear you, because like made sure that they can hear you. Like whenever you would talk, it would light up. I need to double check that. It was fucking, yeah, I was being a good old regular retard. Nothing new. Seems to be.
I was like skating through it, listen, like trying to find me, and it's just like you talking to yourself, and I was like,
Seems to be how it usually fucking goes with me being the fucking audio tech.
yeah, we're gonna change that soon.
Yeah, that's why. And yep. I'm only good at talking. All right, let's think of more.
Like that DJ. We need like the sound crew at like a show where they come and plug all the
Yeah.
mixer and get
Yep,
all the
yep.
load the track up.
Like 1, 2, 3, clap.
Get up there and press play.
Yeah. Oh yeah, what other ones? ZRX mentioned on stream last night. That one's doing pretty fucking well above that 200. This one's actually fucking solid. I love the way this one's playing out. This ZRX, your most hated stock, or your most hated crypto.
I'm still in it.
You're still in it? Did you take some?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah.
I think I posted it in my thread, but they like cut some of the pictures off because I was spamming apparently.
Oh my
I
god.
don't know what that means.
Gay.
But yeah, 180%.
Fuck
Small
yeah.
position.
So yeah, same. I'm chilling at 150. What else did we cover last night? CVC. CVC is one of those that's also getting some steam, right? We retraced last night. We took that range right here, retraced into it yesterday, hit that 618 or 786, sorry. And now once we break above that 200, I think we see a similar thing that we saw on ZRX, just a nice shtick candle from here on CVX Alpha. Alpha, I'm a little red on it right now, but this is that's pretty much, I took a little premature long over here just because I was like, I don't know if they really want to retrace back over here just because of how everything's ripping, but reposition properly so that it can. PopGat is fucking cooking it up. We posted this one a long while ago with our position in there. And this is how it's playing out. It's like, oh wait, hold up. Yeah, that's like literally where I got fucking filled. Shit. Poppy Cat.
Even looking at the chart, but I just like Jasmine. I didn't even look at the chart. I don't know. I just like Jasmine. It hasn't gone. It's usually just ripping face, like something's up. Something's accumulating hard.
Jasmine.
In my opinion.
There's my Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine looks solid. Held that. It actually has a similar bottom to, oh my god, what is that fucking stock? AXL. Like, look at Jasmine, right? Right here.
Yep.
And then AXL.
Yep.
Same fucking thing.
Yep. I don't think it needs to do any sweeping.
Yeah. Yeah, AXL looks. I'm almost looking for this type of shit, right? Same thing. I'm looking for this kind of shtick on Axel. That's what we were going for. ACX. Did you mention ACX or did I just fucking?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. ACX also looking solid. So
The one with the monthly low sweep. That one looks fucking crazy.
Yeah, this one looks good.
You can go outside month. If you go on monthly and mark out previous month 50%.
Oh yeah, right there, PD.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. If it can clear that, mark that shit out. If it clears that, it goes outside month to the upside.
we go.
Fucking note that shit on the line.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if clears, goes outside quarter. I mean, or month. Yeah, to the upside.
There we go. Boom above this.
It looks good. We bring
Yep.
the boom.
Yep, I would agree. Syrup, AXL, Morph. M&T, I've been fucking screaming this one from the mountaintops. Sweep on hold of these liquidities right there. If we can cook through this fair value gap again, this one is going to get a nice little run to the upside, I have a feeling. Just got that gutsy little feeling that this one can get it. Fartcoin, which one's cooking up the hard? Yeah, Popcat is just fucking wild. Oh, are you playing music in here? Yeah, you are. I was like, why am I hearing 3 tracks at the same time?
Sorry.
You're good. I was so good.
Sounds so good. I listened to it like 50 times since yesterday.
Drive.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah, it's a banger. The TISM requires the song to be played at least a minimum of 100 times for you to
I
get
played
tired
it
of
4 times last night. I was like, Amy, listen, Amy, listen. She's like, I heard it. I heard it. It's one of those ones. It's like goosebumps.
Let's see. I really want Bobcat to join the 400 club. We've hit Uni 400. We've hit FET 400. We've hit Prom 400. Jupe. Oh, Jupe is cooking it up, dude. Jupe.
I heard this at a show. I'd cry probably.
Dude, yeah, this at a show would be fucking awesome. Ba 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 ba. There's our Jupe. Jupe right
yeah, I'm
here.
going through updating my charts right now and posting stuff on Twitter too if you guys want to check it.
Yeah, make sure you guys are following at Ace Beats. It's gonna be the best way to stay updated in terms of probably some of the cleanest looking fucking charts I've ever came across. If you guys are not following Haze Beats, you guys are missing the fuck out. I'll tell you that. So make sure you guys do that. CVC. Yeah, CVC is like in continuation of this range break of 200. Yeah, so what is this chart? 4 hour. Yeah, CVC still looking good.
Buggies. I just gotta say, one time Bears got blown the fuck out.
Yeah. Oh,
Did we know they would? Yes, we knew.
Super fucking dude. Yesterday we got that shit too. Super beaut.
So sick of people.
So sick of.
Oh, Sui's a fucking good ass one.
Super, yeah.
Shit's cranked.
Sui's cranked.
Sui's cranked.
Let me take super.
Everything's cranked. I don't even know.
HFT. I want to see how HFT did. I think I took a. HFT still a little on it. I think he got subbed out on this one actually already.
You know what changed for me this time?
Oh my fucking lord.
That outside day. No, what changed for me this time is it's something Abby always used to say to me. I'd always wait for too much confirmation out of OTE. And this time I actually long shit on the scary down candles. And that's why I'm so comfy in these positions now. It was like low risk, low risk, high reward. And now I'm just like so chilling rather than waiting for like a 4-hour CISD. And I was able to do that because I was being so patient in Wisconsin and so patient when I was in Moab that when it finally showed up, I just shot the shot.
Yep. Look at what I posted last night on comp. And look at it like this. I am
Oh
fucking upset with myself.
no!
Oh my god, that is gay as fuck. That's
That's beautiful though.
insane. Yeah, that's such a beautiful. That's so fucking clean. What the fuck? Golly. I mean, above this 200, you can slap for a continuation if you really fucking wanted to. Feels like it might want to still get a little bit pep in its step. That's fucked. That is fucked. Oh my goodness. What the heck?
Market's not your enemy. You are.
Yeah, literally, dude. What the fuck? Comp, dude. Why? You're such a such a beautiful girl. Comp dot dot dot. Nothing to fucking say on that.
No position to show.
No
Nothing to
position.
say.
No, yeah, no position to show. Nothing to say. I mean, I outlined it, but was like, this is kind of looking still silly. Everything else, I am totally cool with. Every other position, every other chart. It's the one chart that you post and you don't take that always just fucking rips fucking faces like a mother. So it's, I guess it goes hand in hand with life and taking risks. It's the one risk that you don't take that ends up being the best decision almost. And that's the way I've been living it. So maybe it's the way I should start translating to my trades and charts. I like that would be. That's the next step in our trading journey. I have a nice continuation. I have a jupe. Yeah, pretty much. Linky poo. I think Link also got a nice little, nice continuation. Above this trend line already, above the 200. So this one's looking solid. Dude, we've been spamming crypto like fucking animals. Above the trend line and above the 200, looking for continued expansion on this. I mean, Bobcat, this is the one thing that I will sit like this animal, right? That's what I'm playing on Bobcat. So I'm not selling anything until I hit my target on Bobcat because animals are lovely. My rice is cooked. All right.
I gotta dip here in a second too.
Yeah, I was about to say I'm probably gonna.
Everything ripped. We did great.
Yeah, everything ripped. We didn't fucking bear stream the bottom.
At all.
Yeah.
Peanut looks really good. I'll say that. Peanut 4 hour. Yet to rip. About to break this 4 hour trend line.
Yep. This sounds looking good. Hold up. I need to discuss with me. Discuss it might tism to vibrate a little bit. Yeah. Peanut is looking phenomenal. All right, let's see if we had any more like HFT. I feel like this one can still get it pretty nicely. Ooh, this song is a banger.
Mozzie.
What is this?
Always
now
Mozzie.
playing Pitch Black. Okay. This bot is so nice that it shows you the actual song name, not like fucking fretbot is for queers, dude.
Yep. God, my H bar outline was fucking crazy.
I think that we
H bar looks so good.
Oh, look at Tessa's too. Another one that I did not take.
Keep H bar.
Oh wait, no wait, did I take this one? Oh, 305. 305. Oh, we did take it. It just sold. Okay. Okay, I took this one. I'm happy. Just sold it off. Oh, damn, that daily looks clean as fuck. What the heck? STG, BCH, Slurf Zeta. Let's cook through these bonk. Still looking MLT, Orca. Horka, Doge is popping. Well, oh yeah, this is the one that you were talking, Moonwell. Yeah, that one is looking solid with that Rising 3 Vet. It's a beaut. So all of these daily fair value gaps held, right? We've had this consolidation. Now we're breaking out of this consolidation. So honestly, looking for some of these like dumb liquidities like this one right there on Vet would be fucking beautiful. I'd almost take that with just a small position, stop way below the daily, and just let it ride kind of thing.
ADA was. I literally laid out the both scenarios at the bottom on the 4th. We either went up, and some of them did, or we swept the previous day low and then went up, and it was one of the two.
Go ACH. Yeah, 4th of July was the bottom.
The bottom.
Oh my, SCA. I remember we played that one. Alt Mobile, LPT. I'm still waiting for LPT to get a nice expansion to the upside. Think above this 200, that's going to be a solid one. I've had that one for the longest time. Yeah,
Whiff was really good too. Whiff from the 4th to now.
Oh yeah. Right? Do I have? Yeah, I do have LPT. Like, I'm still just waiting on it. Just waiting on LPT to do its thing. Whiff. Oh yeah, Whiff was fucking great. What a bunch of freaking rippers, dude. What the heck? LPT, big.
Yeah.
Phyllis is still looking good. Anchor, phenomenal. KSM, Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine's looking good. Zai. ENS. What a beaut.
Yeah, both posted that one.
The IMX. This one's actually looking decent too. IMX.
Yep, I like that one.
IMX.
Cool. I just scheduled a bunch of. I'm posting every like 5 minutes of these updates just so it doesn't flood the feed too bad.
Yep.
So, enjoy, peeps.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing here in a bit. We're gonna end the stream. Probably gonna just post a bunch of charts on there so that we have some to show. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, love you. Appreciate you. Make sure
Thanks for believing in us.
Yeah, make sure you give this like, give it a share if you guys are enjoying these. If you want to see some more of these, if you guys want to see some solid outlines, make sure you guys go check out www.papertrace.io, or also follow at Hayes Beats. He's always posting solid outlines. But check out www.papertrace.io. It's kind of the best place to see what we're up to. Same thing with @thepapertraders on Twitter. Check those out. See how we're doing. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see all the past streams that we've done. See our track record, see how we're doing, see what we've said, and how those things are playing out. I'm trying to think here. What else do we got on there? If you guys go on that website, oh, no, we don't have that link anymore. Check out Blowfin, and make sure you guys use the code Haste or code Eddie. That's gonna be the. They'll give you a nice little sign-on bonus whenever you sign up for it. LTC Litecoin, yeah, LTC is looking good too. LTC, just trying to peek through some of these fucking.
That queer near looking fire too. That's all I have to say at every stream.
Yeah, and if you're near the queer, better steer away from them. Yeah, near is looking good. We have position on this one. See, it's outlined right there. We have a lot of positions. Soul is an absolute beaut. CVS, yeah. I mean, nothing to, no words. We just show, right? Picture speaks 1,000 words. That's why we outline, we stream, we show you guys what we see, and we also posted. So if you guys are enjoying it, stay tuned, give it a like, give it a share. as always, like we said, if you give, make sure you give Mr. Hayes the follow. If we get him to 3,000 followers, we're going to do a lifetime giveaway for the paper traders. If we get me to 1,000 followers, we're going to do the same thing. You just have to retweet that post at the top of my page. When we get these streams to 500 viewers, we're going to give away some merch. We're going to give away a nice little hat. It can be a hoodie. It can be a shirt, whatever you want. If you want to, I don't know, fucking sweatpants, we'll give those away too. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be here tomorrow morning. Peace out.